Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Reason for boys are bleeding, girls are bleeding, people are disappointed. And I am on Facebook, and I was going through my timeline. And I was seeing people's posts. Then I came across one post that caught my attention. And the reason the post caught my attention is because the guy who had posted is a friend of mine, whom I know very well. Now, the post this guy posted, which is going to be on the screen for you to see. Or see, leaders. NDC leaders, no. After winning a banu year, after elections, winning year, no. Say from no fa. I say leaders, fa mo cause bio, pick mo cause bio. Na enyo nunkwa. Na many of his friends also are sending him message. Say Charlie, he say me friend honorable way on Fabio mo. Me friend honorable way on Fabio. My friend, we are on Fabio. And what is happening? And I'll catch you on say, oh, mini animal. And I'm there cry. Me cry me wa hano. Miss cry me there's some move out. Honorable sa me no mo chap pictures in na say me from mo move. Go for na time my campaigns who from midnight cry on be fa no. Say from and we are 12 cry move. Na omuntu mu na 2028 no ombe san here omubium na ombe fa omu course. You see, as a young person, we must start carving a path for ourselves. We must start carving a path for ourselves. We cannot and we should not leave our lives in the hands of other people. And it's for that reason that always I get very, very, very sad when I see young people like myself engaging in all manner of immoral unethical politicking just because they are fighting for a certain cause. Because most of the time, the people we are fighting for, they don't have anything to lose. They do not have anything to lose. But we do. We have everything to lose. We are now building our careers. Some of us are now starting life. Some of us are now about to start life. But already we built a bad name and reputation for ourselves because we think we are pursuing the agenda of a particular political party. And that is why I always tell you, what Asedu Nketiah's children cannot do for Asedu Nketia, don't do for him. Asedu Nketiah's children, they are in Canada. They won't come down to go and do demonstration under the sun. Asedu Nketiah's children will not go to Facebook and go and insult Akufo-Addo. John Mahama's children will not go to Facebook and go and insult Kevin Oforiatta, insult Bawumia. If their children cannot do that, then why should you, a son of a charcoal seller, son of a fish seller, a son of a carpenter, why should you be the one that they will motivate to go and do such a dirty work? Why should you? Why should you be the one to hold machetes at the police station so that a soldier or policeman will say that you are a threat and shoot you? Why should you be the one if their children will not be willing to make such sacrifices for them? Why should you be the one to go and carry a ballot box and try to run away with it? See, in Ghana politics, money speaks. And then also, your educational qualification also speaks at some places. I always admonish as the youth that please, when we find ourselves in a position, even when you are in power, strive to better yourself. Who a diploma, strive to get a first degree. Who a first degree, strive to get a master's. Who a master's, strive to get a PhD. Get better. Seize opportunities. And be measured in the things you put on social media, especially in the name of politics. Because you might be in NDC, but your destiny helper will be in MPP. You might be in NDC, but the long run, your purpose maybe is to end up at the United Nations. And a time will come when all the words, all the statements that you make, all the footprints you leave on social media will be revisited. And you might think you have deleted, but you have not deleted. The internet does not forget. People can do programming and go and fetch things that you have even deleted. Some people have screenshots of things you have posted, and they are just waiting patiently for a time to come so they put it to you. That say, when you were 20, when you were 25, when you were 30 years, you said this about so and so. Do you still hold the same views? And when that time comes, if you don't take care, you'll be found wanted. And that is when you start saying, had I known, had I known, had I known. But had I known always comes at last, and is always the language of the fool. I believe so much that it is not worth it. It is not worth destroying our future because we are pursuing political agenda. It is not worth it. Any agenda that will require that you destroy your own future, you put your own future at risk, do not, because your family is looking up to you. Now they are not picking your call. They are not picking your call, and there's nothing you can do about it. You can't do shame about it because they have gotten whatever they wanted already. They've gotten it already. Whatever it is they wanted, they won the election. They are in parliament now. Some of them have been appointed ministers. Some of them are CEOs. Some of them are deputy CEOs. They have gotten it already. They will need you in 4 years. And they are thinking to themselves that, oh, these people, when we come, we give them some 5,000. They will forget that we have mafiaed them for 4 years. They will follow us again. Think. Young man, think. Young lady, think. Think. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.